The place where a nerve impulse is passed from an axon to another cell is called a synapse. The synapse is a tiny gap between the two cells. When a nerve impulse reaches the end of the axon, information is sent across the gap in the form of a chemical messenger. This type of chemical is called a neurotransmitter. Molecules of neurotransmitter are stored in small sacs at the end of the axon. On the other side of the synapse, receptors line the surface of the adjacent cell. The arrival of a neural impulse causes some of the sacs to fuse with the axon membrane. When the sacs fuse with the membrane, they release neurotransmitter molecules into the synapse. These molecules diffuse across the gap and bind to the receptors on the adjacent cell's membrane. The binding of the neurotransmitter to the receptors causes a change in that cell's membrane potential. This change triggers a nerve impulse. The neurotransmitters are then released by the receptors. They are either broken down or reabsorbed by the cell that released them. The synapse is ready to transmit another impulse.